How to generate AI pictures either for your faceless YouTube channel or you just want pictures for your business. A lot of persons nowadays are using AI to create pictures like this that you are just seeing on the screen, create pictures for their businesses. Instead of looking for pictures to post on your social media account, you cannot generate all these AI pictures that look realistic and post on your business, either on your Facebook page or any other page that you have or Instagram. You can use it to generate realistic pictures. Also, if you have a YouTube channel, a faceless YouTube channel, you can also use this to generate pictures that you can turn into videos. Pictures, all you just have to do is to go over to your Play Store or your App Store. Then you're just going to search on Gemini. So I already installed Gemini on my phone, but if you don't have Gemini, you can install Gemini. Then you're going to open the app. Now, once you open the app, you are going to sign up because you just created the account. So you're just going to sign up on a fresh account. So I already have an account with Gemini. So I'm just going to go straight into creating pictures. So you can create pictures for your business, any picture that you want, just tell it to Gemini. So what we'll do first to make it easier for us, to make the prompt easier for us, we are going to go over to ChatGPT. So if you don't have ChatGPT on your phone, you can just go to Play Store and install ChatGPT, or you can use the site. Now I already have ChatGPT on my phone, so if you don't have ChatGPT, install ChatGPT on your phone. Now, depending on the pictures that you want to create, so I can just tell it to ChatGPT. Let's say I want to create a picture of me baking a cake. So I will just tell ChatGPT, write a prompt for me. I want to use it to create pictures in a white cabinet kitchen with bowls of baking ingredients like flour, sugar, butter, etc. According, they should be according to their sizes. So I'm just going to give ChatGPT this prompt. So I'm going to send ChatGPT this write-up. I want it to give me a prompt on this. Now this is the prompt that ChatGPT have given to me. All I just have to do is to copy it. Then I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to go over to Gemini. Now once I get to Gemini, I'm just going to click on the plus button because I need a picture that I want to use. So you just need to add a picture of yourself so that it will look real. Now what I'm going to do is to write using this picture as reference. Create a picture of me. So you have to give Gemini this prompt first before you paste the one that you copied from ChatGPT. You have to give it this prompt first before you give it that one, so that it will give you exactly what you are looking for, like a picture of you. Now I'm just going to paste it. Then once I paste it, note that this is when you want to create a picture of yourself. I'm also going to do a separate another video. In this video, I'm going to do a separate one on how you can create a different pictures. Maybe you want to use it for your faceless channel. This one is, let's say you want to create a picture for yourself or of yourself for your brand. Then you're just going to send it. Now, once you send it, you're going to allow it to create a picture for you. Then you're just going to let it load. So you can see after it has finished loading, you see the picture that you gave us. So this is it on how to create a picture of you. So I'm just going to create another picture. Let's say you want to use a picture for your faceless channel, maybe for all those foxes or any type of faceless channel that you have or that you created. So we'll just save this, click on it, then click on save. It's going to download and save to your phone. Now to create a different picture, let's say for your faceless channel. So I'm just going to write create a picture of a Nigerian couple living in the village with their kids. Create a prompt for a picture living with their kids. So let me just give it this. I don't want it to be too long. Let's just do something very simple and short. Now I'm just going to give it, I want it to give me a good prompt that I can use to create this picture. So ChatGPT is creating picture for me, but I don't want it to create picture. I wanted it to create prompts for me, and it's creating picture for me. That's because I was supposed to say give me a prompt, so it's creating picture for me, and it's going to take time. So let me just okay, now as you can see, it created a picture for me, so I can decide to use this picture for my video, like for my YouTube faceless channel. So I'm going to save this on my phone, and I'm going to give the same prompt because ChatGPT can also create pictures for you, just that you easily get to, I think about 3 pictures is the highest they can create in a day. So what I'm just going to do now is to go over to Gemini and tell Gemini to do same for me. I'm just going to copy this. So let's see the one that will give us the best picture, because I normally use Gemini to create pictures. So I'm going to copy it here. So I'm just going to let it. So this is what Gemini gave us. So between Gemini and the other one, I don't know which one is the best. I think I prefer the first one that ChatGPT created. So if you want to write a story on this is where you start from. So from this, you can be using this picture as reference to create more picture, more scene for your faceless channel. So this is it for how to create pictures for your faceless channel or for your business. So if you have watched this video for this time, thank you for watching these videos. Please give me a thumbs up, give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe. I'm going to see you in my